Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door switch in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillip screwdriver and a small flathead blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door switch. There are two identical door switches used in this refrigerator. Each of them is mounted inside the upper door hinge cover at the top of this refrigerator. These door switches control the lights inside the compartments. It's more or less common that either switch will break, causing the lights inside the compartment to stay on with the door closed or to stay off with the door open. In the first case, it will cause a higher temperature inside the compartment and also may damage the light lands and the housing. Assess the damage and replace all of the needed parts. I'm going to open both doors to show you where the switches are. Here they are, one on the right, one on the left. They are identical, and I'm going to show you how to replace this one. I'm going to close the freezer door completely and leave this door slightly ajar. All right, now we need to climb up on the top of the fridge here. So we need to remove this cover, and we're going to look for the Phillip screw right on the bottom of this opening. And we're going to use the Phillip screwdriver. I'm going to take this screw out. Next, I'm going to remove the cover. We need to lift it up and pull it out. There's a tab here. We need to pull it slightly out of the cutout. So, as a switch, you're going to turn it over, and here the switch. The screw comes out. Don't lose it. And we need to unplug it first. So we got the couple of tabs on the sides. We need to release them using a small flat blade screwdriver. And I'm going to pull. And I'm going to unplug it. All right, now we're going to squeeze two sides here on the switch. That's a locking tabs. Squeeze and push up. Switch comes out. This is the old door switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is where the new switch comes in, and we're going to place it into the cutout. Press it in. It locks. And I'm going to plug it in. Make sure it goes all the way in. And now I'm going to install the cover and the switch. Make sure that this sensor harness is not on the way. It will be laying right on the top of the hinge. And I'm going to place this tab, this one, right into the cutout. And put it down. And snap it in. Then I'm going to use this Phillip screwdriver and a Phillip screw. We're going to tighten it. And now we can close the door. Switch engaged. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.